Alibaba has quietly shipped an open model that fits on a laptop and still scores like a frontier system. The model is called Qwen 3.8, and it carries 27 billion parameters. It ships as a 17 gigabyte file, and that single number is most of the story. Start with what actually landed. Qwen published the weights on Hugging Face and Model Scope in the middle of August. The checkpoint holds 27 billion parameters in a dense design, not a mixture of experts. Context runs to 262,000 tokens and stretches to 1 million. Vision came along too, so it reads diagrams, documents, and hour-long video. The agentic scores are where Qwen is making its loudest claim. The benchmark table will be argued over for weeks, but the license is the part that changes plans. Consider how that footprint is possible. Most layers use gated delta net, a linear attention design whose memory does not grow with context. A feed-forward block follows each of those, which is the conventional half of the recipe. Then a single gated attention layer arrives to recover what linear attention gives up. That group repeats until the stack reaches 64 layers deep. Mostly linear attention with occasional full attention is how a small model affords a huge context. Now to the part that matters locally. Getting it running takes a single command because the weights are already public. The server has to load the entire model into memory before it will answer anything. Once it is up, you have an OpenAI-compatible endpoint running on your own hardware. Simon Willison measured 15 to 30 tokens a second from LM Studio on a laptop. A model you can run without asking anyone for permission is a different kind of product. There's a catch worth knowing. The model ships with its reasoning efforts set to the highest level by default. Willison watched it burn 22,000 reasoning tokens on a single small prompt. All of that thinking has to go somewhere, and it goes straight into your wall clock. The drawing prompt he tried took 21 minutes to finish. His advice is to run it on low or no reasoning until you know what you have. A bad default is cheaper to fix than a bad model, but it still shapes the first impression. Frontier-level agentic scores now fit inside a download you can finish over lunch. The license is Apache 2, which means nobody could take this one back. Context reaches 250,000 tokens, with images and video included. Turn the reasoning down before you judge it, and we will see you in the next one.